I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching card type and adapter because mismatches damage pins. Once matched, physically insert the card into the reader until it clicks. Make sure the label faces the correct side. Then connect the reader to a powered port. Avoid passive hubs when speed matters. You're initiating a hardware connection now, so watch for status lights on the reader. If the device is bus-powered, give it a second to enumerate before moving to the software steps. Once the reader is recognized, open File Explorer or Finder and find the removable drive. That's how you access files. If you transfer many small files, compress into an archive to speed things up, and when copying, monitor transfer rates to catch slowdowns. Make sure to check free space and file system compatibility. FAT32 versus XFAT affects single file sizes. If you need a full backup, use disk imaging software. Otherwise, drag and drop or a dedicated sync tool works fine. After transfers finish, verify a few files to ensure integrity. Checksums are ideal for important data. Once verified, use your operating system's safe eject or unmount command. Don't remove the card while writes occur. After the OS confirms it's safe, remove the card gently. If the reader fails to appear, try another USB port, a different cable or reader, reboot and update drivers. If the card is still unreadable, test it in a camera or phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.